Hello kids, welcome back to another vlog of Shannon and Charlotte's playground. So today we will be playing with our favorite play-doughs. See, we have got so many things, all the molds that we need, all the elephants, all the bears, all the dogs, many things we got. We have got here the roller. Okay, so I will show you right now what we will do, and Shannon is going to make all these fun stuffs. Are you ready, Shannon?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start. Okay kids, I hope you had so much fun. Shannon, show your hand. Woo! So we had very much fun playing with this Play-Doh set. We made so many characters with this Play-Doh set, and here are the Play-Doh cutters. They're like the cookie cutters. Many cookie cutters we got. We will show you another Play-Doh very soon.
Yeah.
Till then, stay with us and see you. Bye! If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, you can subscribe right now so that when I post a new video, you can see it quickly. Bye-bye! Okay, so Shannon, let's start. Here we have got all the molds. And here is the roller, here is the cutters. Here many shaped cutters we got. One flower.
I like the ice cream.
Yes, many shapes that we cannot even finish saying. Okay, let's start. Shannon, which one you want to take? This one. Okay.
Okay, so first you put
Here.
a green Play-Doh.
Okay.
And then after you roll it with the Play-Doh.
Now we can't roll because there is not a flat surface, so we just put it right into this. So let me show how we do this. Put it here and Shannon dab.
And we press.
Dab. Wrap it up.
Dab.
Okay, so show us what you got.
Okay, so first this is a frog. And press so you get the frog.
Okay, all done. Now show me what you got. I can't wait to see. Quick. I want to see.
Okay. Oh, I think it's a fish.
Wow, what you got? Can I see? Wow, it's a frog. Nice. Another one. What's next?
Next is a dog. And I find that third because it's been.
All right. Let's do it.
For the dog, we need some brown.
Here, Shannon. Here you have to come.
Okay. Now we're gonna make the dog. You can make any color.
Yes. Okay. Now show me what you got.
Okay. It's hard. Okay. Now.
Wow. Let me see. What is it?
It's a dog symbol.
Okay, this time I will do it. I'm gonna take this one. This one right here.
It's a duck.
It's a duck mold. Ooh.
And we need
And
yellow.
I need yellow for this. So I'm gonna
Just
press it. No. It's my turn.
This is my turn. I think we're gonna do 2 times 2.
Alright, there we go. Beautiful. It's a beautiful duck. Quack. And the duck says quack. And
Ribbit,
there we
ribbit.
go. The frog says ribbit. Okay. Now this time we're gonna do an elephant. Woohoo! An elephant. I'm gonna put it into this. It's so much fun. fun. It's like a stamp. You create your own elephant, your own stuffs with this Play-Doh. It's super good.
And it will never get dried if you guess.
Yeah, because it's clay.
Yeah, clay never dry, but Play-Doh.
Okay, what is this?
It's an elephant. Oh, it's like mine. It's like
Beautiful. The elephant says trumpet. Yes, toing toing. Okay. Next.
my turn.
We made a frog, we made a dog, we made an elephant, we made, yes,
A duck.
a duck. Alright, what else, A teddy bear, yay! A red teddy, a pink teddy bear.
Yeah, I like this monster.
Okay,
I won't use this one.
that's a horse.
No, it's a monster. Look, it's not a horse.
Okay, let's take it off.
It looks like an alien.
It's a teddy! It's a teddy! Wow! Look at its tiny feet. It's super cute. Oh, its nose. Let me just break its nose. Oh! It smashed it! Alright, now it's Shannon's turn. Shannon, which color?
I will choose this blue color. Press it on it. Press
Here, Shannon.
the mold. You press it on the mold. Very hard.
Alright, let's see what you made.
I think it's gonna be very good. Oh, it's gonna.
Show me.
It didn't stick.
Oh, show me. What you did? You broke it. No. Let's do it again.
It's okay.
Let's take another color. The blue color.
It's broke, but it's
Okay, so let's see, what is it?
Oh, it's similar to mine.
Yes. Okay. Done.
Oh, we didn't do this one.
Alright. This is done. Let's try cutting some of this. Let's cut this duck.
I will cut this one.
Here I take this pineapple and try to cut it with my hand.
You don't need to cut it. You just like it's easy.
Alright, Shannon. Now what?
Now you have to open it.
Do it.
So first, it's easy. You just have to peel a little bit of it. You have to press so it don't get up. See?
Oh, our pineapple is ready. Show me.
Okay. Done? Now
Flower color, right there. Show me.
okay. Look.
Okay, so actually we have to do it in a flat surface with this roller and this roller right here. Okay, so next time we're gonna do it like that. But now this is our broken pineapple, but it's okay, no problem. There we go. And so we made many stuffs today with these things, and these are all the cutters. Another day we're going to play with these cutters and the Play-Doh, okay?
Yeah.
So here is the all set, you can see. Wow.
That's messy kind of.
Okay kids, see you in our next video. Till then,
Bye!
and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye.
Bye! Oh.